Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar, and it is time to do a recap. It is time to do a recap. I know I didn't do a recap. I missed doing a recap Monday and Tuesday, I believe, or Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm not sure. But I need to do a recap. I owe it to you guys, and including in this recap, we're gonna talk about. We're gonna spend some time talking about my round of golf today as well. Just let let's shelf that a little bit and we'll talk about it. Let's talk about our accounts first. So these okay, the recap that we did not get done yesterday is these 5 Apex accounts. When I ended stream yesterday, these 5 accounts were down. I think they were down like $1,200 per account, and we actually did bring those accounts back to almost break even. I think I ended up having like a $50 loss per account. So after that was actually, I was pretty happy with that. And then this morning, before we went golfing, our tee time, my tee time was 10:36 this morning. So I was able to get in some trades this morning and the overnight session. A nice day on these fresh Apex accounts. And I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive on these fresh 6 Apex accounts. I'm going to be trading anywhere from 10 to 25 micros or 2 minis. So that's the plan. I'm going to try to go for like $800-900 per day, anywhere from $500 to $800 per day, depending on the market conditions. So happy about today. But also yesterday, the Tradedevil live account, we took an L on that account yesterday. We did get some of it back today, and right now on this Tradedevil live account, I am locking myself out once I get to $500 in profit. Basically, just to prevent me from being too greedy. I've struggled with live accounts where I'm up $500 to $1,000, and then I keep trading and I keep trading, and then I end up giving it all back and then some and hitting my daily loss limit. So trying to prevent that, I'm trying to just lock in some smaller days and get a little more consistent on this Tradedevil live account. So that summarizes. I didn't trade my Apex accounts. The rest of these Apex accounts I haven't traded. So yeah, just did not get around to it. Now, talking about my golf game, man, I want to talk. I feel like it was bad. It was so bad. It's so embarrassing. Honestly, it feels very similar to like blowing a lot of accounts. It feels like I blew 20 accounts today in my golf game. One of the worst rounds I've shot. I mean, okay, let me rephrase. The last 2 weeks, my driving has just been so bad and so inconsistent. Like, I just forgot how to hit my driver. Was it Tuesday? Tuesday, I had one day where I hit it really well. But then Wednesday, I went out to practice again and I hit it terrible. And then today, of course, on the driving range, everywhere, like on the driving range, no problem. I can hit my driver, no issues. But as soon as I get out on the course, soon as there's some pressure, I don't know, I just can't handle it, I guess. I crumble. And it was ugly. So I was so disappointed. I'm so disappointed in my round of golf. I ended up shooting 24 over on the round. Just so bad. I also got very unlucky. Of course, I know every golfer says that. I had 4 lip outs. I had 2 balls that literally stopped with half the ball in the cup and half of it off, and it didn't roll in. I had that happen twice. I hit 2 different times. I hit a tree and it just bounced straight back. It is what it is, but I'm so disappointed. I know I can play so much better, and I have under the exact same conditions, exact same setup, minus the pressure. So I don't know. I guess I can't handle the pressure as of yet, but we're gonna get there. You know what? It reminds me of trading prop firms. When I started trading prop firms, I struggled like crazy. And did we give up? No, we did not. We kept going until we figured it out. And we're going to do the exact same thing with this golf. If it's the last thing I do, I will figure it out. And we'll get over this pressure issue. And we got to lock in. I don't know. I know this is not a golf channel, so I apologize, but some of you have probably already tuned out, and that's fine. Actually, here, I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys how to. So here, if you want to tag along, which some of you maybe already do, but if you want to tag along tomorrow and watch the scoring, so it is on. You can find this on your browser. Just if you go on your browser, on your phone, if you go to scrolf.com, it'll take you here. Just go up to find your event, and this will say 2025 Amish Open. Just click on that, and then click on the watch the leaderboard, and you can see this, like the round is still going. They had people teeing off at 4 o'clock. So this will still be updating until probably 8 o'clock tonight. So this will give you a live leaderboard. Unfortunately, yours truly, you got to scroll all the way. Oh, it hurts my brain to show you guys this. Oh, I hate to do this, but I guess we're going to maintain transparency even with our golf game. There we are, all the way at the bottom. Now, we're at least not last, but it was so bad. This is what my round looked like. Just started off terrible. And not to make excuses, but when you hit 7, I had 7 shots off the tee box. I had 7 drives or irons or whatever off the tee box that I hit out of bounds or into a hazard. And you just can't do that and play any decent round of golf. So it is what it is. I just cannot seem to hit my driver. For the life of me, I'm not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow. I might not hit my driver tomorrow. But at the same time, I can hit my driver at the driving range, no problem. So I know it's mental. And I think I'm just going to push through it. And whatever happens tomorrow happens. We're going to grind. Tomorrow, we are playing for our dignity. We're not going to make the cut. That is a foregone conclusion. But we are playing for dignity tomorrow. We are going to play to be respectable. I want to finish in like the top 60. That's my goal. If I can finish top 60, top 70, I'll consider it okay. But if I have another round of golf of 24 over like I had today, I don't know. Watch out for Facebook Marketplace. There might be a set of clubs going up for sale. Just saying. Anyway, that's the recap on trading and recap on my golf. Now, I will say I don't know when I'm going to tee off tomorrow. But I assume they're going to tee off in order of, how bad you did. So very likely I will be going off the tee probably first. But there won't be a stream tomorrow. Unless we would, for some chance, have a very late tee time, then I would. But we were likely going to be having an early tee time. So anyway, that concludes it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And we'll be sure to share updates on my trading and on my golf tomorrow. Hopefully it will go better. But at least I didn't blow any accounts today. What would have made this a lot worse is if I blew up accounts in the overnight session and then went out and had a round like I had today. That would definitely be worse. But things could always be worse. And the other thing to remember is it's just a game. I'm trying not to let it upset me too much because it is just a game and my intentions were to have fun. Can't say that I had fun today, if I'm being really honest. But tomorrow, maybe we can have fun tomorrow. Just relax, have fun, and play a good round. That's the plan. But anyway, I'm rambling. Take care, everybody. I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening. I hope you guys have a great day tomorrow. I hope you stay green. And we will see you guys tomorrow night in tomorrow night's recap. And take care and God bless.